story Tom and Mick. See the fat cat. His name is Tom. He has soft fur on his body. Tom's cry meow meow. This is Mick. She is rat. He is not fat. He likes to eat cake. Tom and Mick are players. Tom lives in a hut. The hut is made of mud. It is by the sea. Mick lives in a hole. The hole is made of stone. It has no door. It is next to Tom's hut. It is a hot day. Tom and Mick go on the stand. They sit on a mat on the stand. They look at the blue sky. Tom has milk in mug and he eats an egg. Mick has tea in cup and he eats a bun with jam. Tom and Mick go for a walk. They see a boat by the sea. It is a black boat. They get into the boat. Mick rows the boat on the sea. Tom has a nap in the boat. Mick looks for and see the big ship. He also see a bird in sky. Look at the Ted sky Mick. Ted is a pet pup. He is a very thin pup. His sky bow bow. T has a hat on his head. He has a big pin ball. He plays with the ball. He has fun on the stand by the sea. Here is Kusum. She is small girl. She is with her father and mother. She has a doll in her hand. Kusum sees tea with the ball. She likes his pink ball very much. So she takes the ball always from Ted. New Ted is sad. See him sob. Tom and Mick run fast to help Ted. Tom runs after Kusum. Kusum puts the ball on the sand. She runs to her mother. Tom gives the pink ball. Ted is full of joy. He gives Tom and Mick a hug. New Tom, Mick and Ted are all go pals. Thank you.